Are you making these costly financial mistakes without even realizing it? These errors can keep you stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and delay your financial goals. But don't worry today. We'll uncover the 5 biggest financial planning mistakes and how you can avoid them. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could save you thousands. Mistake number 1. Not having a budget. Do you know exactly where your money goes every month? If not, you're flying blind. Many people skip budgeting, thinking it's too complicated. But in reality, a budget is just a simple plan for your income and expenses. Here is a solution. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your income and expenses effortlessly. Mistake number 2. Ignoring an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A sudden job loss, medical emergency, or car repair can derail your finances if you're not prepared. Yet, 57% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency. Solution. Start by saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Even saving $10 a week can add up fast. Mistake number 3. Relying too much on debt, credit cards, personal loans, and buy now, pay later schemes can seem tempting, but excessive debt can crush your financial future. High interest rates mean you pay way more than you borrowed. Solution. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt using the snowball or avalanche method. And remember, if you can't afford it in cash, reconsider if you really need it. Mistake number 4. Neglecting retirement planning. Many people think retirement is far away, but the earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Even investing just $100 a month in an IRA or 401k can turn into hundreds of thousands by retirement. Here is the solution. Contribute at least enough to get your employer's 401k match. If possible, max out your IRA or Roth IRA to build a strong retirement fund. Mistake number 5. Not investing your money. Keeping all your savings in a bank account might feel safe, but you're actually losing money due to inflation. Instead, put your money to work by investing in stocks, index funds, or real estate. Here is the solution. Start small. Use apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Vanguard to begin investing even with just $50. The wait is over for the bonus tip. Automate your finances. Here's a pro tip. Automate your savings, bill payments, and investments. This way, you never miss a due date, and your money grows effortlessly. Now that you know these 5 financial mistakes, which one are you going to fix first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more smart money tips. See you in the next video.